So yeah, over the years, there have been much of development in the technology sector, but there's also been a wider integration of the technology in various other sectors. So in the year 1968, a man called Se- a man called Ian Sutherland invented technology that enabled graphics, computer graphics, to be visually expressed into a normal environment. So the technology that he invented at that time was basically based on military use only, but over the years, actually the gaming industry is the industry that took that technology and decided to use it for commercial purposes. That technology is what we call visual reality. Visual reality is a computer-generated environment that stimulates the physical environment and the person can integrate with it. Yeah, so in visual reality, it means an environment is made using a computer or computer software, and the person can use simple devices like the glasses and the interaction boards to interact with the environment that has been created using that system. Augmented reality is another technology that has also emerged from the discovery, which is when augmented reality is when a computer adds digital information or objects around you. So we could use, for instance, you can use your phone and maybe scan a certain layer on the ground or a certain created layer, and that layer can create, as you can see, I mean, that photo is quite low over there. I don't know what's wrong with it, but you can see from that picture over there that a person has just taken a picture of a building, and some 3D models have appeared from the camera that the person is using. So next. So this technology over the years has been used in several fields, in manufacturing and automation, also in education, in healthcare, and in construction. In manufacturing and automations, it has been used in the production line. It has been used to reduce the time used between production of products in the industry. It has also been used in the education industry, as Madam presented me before. At Smart Darasa, we use the technology to simplify the learning process for science STEM students, where we create an environment where people could access experiments that were once conducted in a laboratory, and we give them access to perform the same experiments using their mobile phones, their computer, and other electronic devices. Also, the technology of visual reality and augmented reality has also been used in healthcare to facilitate operations, some operations that are now conducted visually. Also, it has been used in training of healthcare trainings. Instead of using a person as a guinea pig, we now use visual reality to simulate a human body, and we bisect the human body and we treat the visual reality just the same as we could have been treating a human. So this technology is also now being used in construction. In different parts of the world, especially Asian countries, there are Asian companies that have invested much in construction using AR and VR. Next. So the use of AR and VR in construction actually helps in cost reduction. People and companies don't have to waste more resources, and they only need to go to the field, create 3D models, and visualize the environment, and they can build the whole structure that needs to be constructed and see how the resources could be used, how the number of resources that could be used in a particular project. And at the end of everything, then they'll go to the physical construction after having all the data and all the details from the visual and augmented reality technology that has been created to facilitate construction. So the use of visual reality has been marked as the next industrial impactful tool in the field of construction by research that has been conducted by 3 universities of Malaysia and the Risk School of Construction Management from University of Florida. Yeah, next. So as you can see, we have engineers actually using this is what we call augmented reality, where the engineers used simple tablets to visualize a building and create pipe models and structures in the building even before putting the actual pipes in the building. So this gives the engineers a good estimation of the resources that they'll need to construct the building. So at the top there, we have some of the importance of using AR and VR in construction. First of all, we have safety training. So we might be aware of the issue of training personnel on the issues of safety. So using visual reality and augmented reality, we are not exposing the people who we are training on the risk of being affected by the what we call this being affected by the harmful hazardous environment on the training. So we just simulate the actual event, maybe like a fire outbreak or maybe like pipe leakages. We just simulate we simulate the environment, then we run the people through the simulation, and the people can pass or fail the training, but with zero harm being done throughout the training. And also, visual reality and augmented reality offer remote collaboration between members who are working on a certain project. For instance, we have members who are working on a construction project in Dar es Salaam, and other members who are working on the same construction project, maybe in Malaysia or Asia or someplace in the world. So this technology offers collaboration between members. All the members through visual reality can wear the devices and appear on the same place at the same time, and every member of the project can give their inputs, and the project could run smoothly. Also, visual reality and augmented reality offer site planning and management. You can clearly estimate the numbers needed on the measurements and stuff like that using visual reality and augmented reality. So using the same technology in the construction world, it will help reduce the risk of miscalculation and the mismanagement of resources. Yeah, so maintenance and facility management. This is when, for instance, we have a building like this one, and maybe a person is running through the building and notices some kind of weird misfunctioning of anything, or maybe electricity. The person could just scan a QR code. Some QR codes may be placed on maybe the sockets and stuff like that. The person might scan the QR code and report on that issue. Scan the QR code, you report that this socket over here is misfunctioning, and the report is sent directly to the managing, and the construction manager or the people responsible with the construction will straight away know which part of the building has issues. So it is also being used in education and training. As I said earlier, at Smart Darasa, our company, we offer trainings and educational through visual reality and augmented reality, and also through computers and mobiles. As you can see at the bottom right corner, we have the integration of visual reality with BIM. Over the years, BIM has been a great tool in the construction world, and it has really helped in visualizing what is going to be constructed. So using visual reality, the people, all the stakeholders, especially customers who have little to no knowledge about BIM and how it works, can have a clear understanding on how the project will work. Using the glasses, the visual reality glasses, a person can walk through the building, can walk through all the project. If it's a bridge, if it's a building, and if it's I don't know, anything that concerns construction, a person can walk through all that building without even before building that exact structure in the physical world. Next. So yeah, now the future trends. What will the future hold in aspect of visual reality and augmented reality? So with Apple announcing the release of their visual reality glasses, and Amazon, Facebook actually changed their company name from Facebook to Meta. That's a whole world built around visual reality, and Google also investing most of their resources in visual reality and augmented reality. Having all those big companies investing in visual reality, investing in augmented reality, we can see the development of more wearable AR devices that could be used in construction, in the construction world, more wearable glasses. That will be the wearable glasses might be a little bit smaller compared to the ones that we have right now, as you can see. Currently, we have these big glasses, but with the development of technology and the introduction of new technology to the industry, the glasses might reduce in size. Also, the devices that are used are almost as big as this microphone I'm holding on my hand right now. But with the development in technology, we're looking forward to have more simpler mobile devices that we could only use them on our fingertips. And also, there will be a growth in Internet of Things integration. The Internet of Things is when all these devices are connected together, and they are connected together in the cloud, where we could share information, and also they are connected together as devices. So the integration of Internet of Things, this means that from using AR and VR, we will be able to share the construction models with the other fields of technology, as well as share some information from other fields of technology into the construction world. AI-driven insights, as we have seen, with the use of chatbots in social medias and stuff like that. Also, there are AIs that have been designed to be used in construction. So with the use of visual reality and augmented reality, it might simplify. It will also enable estimations and calculation simplifications to the constructors and the engineers. It will also enhance training and simulations. With the reduction of cost in trainings, the engineers won't be eligible to pay high amount of cash in training their personnel. They will just use simple devices. For instance, visual reality can be performed with any smartphone with a camera. So that's actually the cheapest of between these two. So with the use of visual reality can really enhance training simulations of different scenarios and different parts of construction. It will also enable global collaborations, as I have explained in the previous slide, where people from different places can now work on a single project without being present in the present physical location. It will also enable customized AR solutions. So at the time, at this moment, we have a little to low number of AR engineers and visual reality engineers, but the future trend with the introduction of these devices being of low prices, lowering the prices, increase in variety of products, we expect to have more skilled personnel in the field, and this will enable us to customize AR solutions that will be suitable to different fields of construction. Next. So yeah, augmented reality and visual reality, once used in the field of construction, will enable to simplify work, to speed up production. It will also enable safety from the training part to the delivery part of the construction project. It will also enable efficiency due to the use of AI in the calculations and stuff like that. It will also enable collaboration between members from different parts of the world. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.